How to create a website shortcut on your iPhone. Now you may want to do this if you want to add a shortcut to a specific website on your iPhone home screen. Now it's really easy to do, so let's go and jump straight into it. Now the first step is you need to open up a Safari internet browser on your phone. Once you've opened up an internet browser, you can then head over to the website that you want to add to your home screen. Now I already know the address of my website, so I'm just going to type it in like this. Now once you're on the website you want to add to your iPhone home screen, you just need to click on the three horizontal dots at the bottom of the page. You can then click on the share button, and if you scroll down you'll have the option to add to home screen. So go and click on this. You could then give this app a name. I'll just leave it as its default. Where it says open as web app, you can actually turn this off and then just go and press add. So now if I come over to my iPhone home screen, you can see this website shortcut. So when I go and click on this, it would take me directly over to this website.